Hello students, welcome back to this live chat. This is our third live session. So in today's session we are going to have a discussion on results and reopening. Our main agenda is results and reopening. So here we go now. So we shall start with this query. Shruti Chandra J has sent me this message. Please inform TS Inter second year results date, sir. Actually, earlier government announced that in the first year, second year results, and in the second week, first week, second year results, second week, first year results. But now the government has changed that date. So almost correction has come to the fag end. Intermediate correction TS has come to the fag end. So almost over. Now it is planning to announce both the results on single day, on the same day. Both the results, first year and second year, it is planning to announce June 11 or 12. 11 or 12. So both the results, both will be announced on the same day, 11 or 12. Okay, thank you. Now Srinivas, so come to live. Yes, okay, thank you. Chenna, good morning sir, good morning. Rama Rao, good morning sir, good morning, very good morning to you. Shivakumar God has sent me this query. When was TS Inter results release date, sir? So intermediate TS release date June 11 or 12. Okay, June 11 or 12. Both first year and second year will be announced together. Earlier we thought that government declared that different weeks, different dates, but now it has changed the strategy. So almost correction is over. That's why on the same day it is going to announce the results June 11th or 12th. Okay, thank you. Tarun has sent me this doubt. So AP Inter results confirmed date. First they release second year results. When will paper correction end? So in AP paper correction is going on. In red zones it started late. That's why still it is going on. Next week it is going to end in another week. So third week, in the third week of June, they are going to announce the results. They are also same. First year, second year, same day they are going to announce the results. First year and second year. In the third week of June, they are going to announce the results in AP. Okay. In Telangana, June 11 or 12, but in AP, third week. Another doubt here. So what about paper correction? So in TS, paper correction has almost over. Is almost over in TS. So only in Nalgonda and Medak, English Sanskrit is going on. Only in two centers, English and Sanskrit, both languages going on. So it will be over tomorrow. It will get over tomorrow. So tomorrow is the last, 31st last. Correction will get over tomorrow. Okay, so that is the latest status. That is the updates, latest updates about paper valuation, paper correction. So we will wait for others. Let others join. We have got a query here. So paper 2A key. You haven't put paper 2A key. So yeah, due to some busy schedule, I was unable to make the video on paper mass 2A key. So definitely I will keep it. Okay. So I will make a video on 2A key also. Don't worry, I will do that. These days paper valuation is going on in different centers. Different centers. That's why so it is very difficult to collect the keys also. Timings are different and centers are different, venues are different. That's why So it's very difficult to collect the keys also. That's the reason I was unable to keep this 2A key. Definitely I will do that. I will keep the key very shortly. Very soon I will do that. Thank you. Abdul Rahman has sent this doubt. Sir, inter results TS or AP? TS. TS results June 11 or 12. June 11 or 12 TS results. AP results third week of June. Okay, third week of June AP results. Now next Faizan has sent me this doubt. Sir, what about first year correction? Yeah, first year correction also over, almost over. Only in I told just now, I told you know, Nalgonda and Medak, in only 2 centers language is still going on. First year language still going on. English and Sanskrit still going on. So they will be over tomorrow. Okay, language, everything will get over tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be over. Tomorrow is the last date for correction. Next doubt here, sir, what about degree exams? So regarding degree exams, today only one crucial announcement came in the newspaper. Degree final semester from June 20 onwards. From June 20 onwards, final semester exams. For remaining semesters, November and December, not now. Only in November and December. November and December they will have exams for final semesters. Sorry, remaining semesters. Only final semester exams from June 20th onwards. Bandit Shivakumar God, good morning, sir. Very good morning to you. Another query from Faisal. So, what about MSET? MSET dates, sir. MSET dates, so same, already we have announced in our previous session also. MSET dates from July 6 to 9. July 6 to 9 MSET dates, okay? Next doubt by Srinivas. Is MSET online or offline? MSET no offline, only online test. MSET only online test. Online test will be there, no offline test, okay? Next, Faisal has sent me this doubt. In MSET, negative marking is there, sir? No negative marking in MSET. Okay, no negative marking. Negative marking will be there only in NEET and IIT. Only in NEET and IIT, negative marking is there. In MSET, no negative marking. Next, Shivakumar has sent me this doubt. What about IIT JEE exam schedule, sir? IIT schedule, regarding IIT schedule, we made one video. Please watch our previous video, okay? Please watch our previous video. So dates are clearly mentioned. IIT, NEET dates are clearly mentioned. Please watch our previous video. In one of our previous videos, I gave the dates also, clear-cut dates also I mentioned. Please watch it. Okay, go through it. So you will come to know about the IIT dates. Next, Kumar has sent me this query. How was the paper correction, sir? Is it strict? Paper correction is not strict. It is neither liberal nor strict. In one way, we can say liberal only. Valuation is liberal only, but not strict. Okay, it is always student friendly. Paper correction is student friendly only. Next doubt sent by Razu here. What about AP results, sir? AP results. AP inter results will be announced in the third week of June. In the third week of June. Okay. Next doubt by Razu only. Is valuation still going on in AP? Yes. Valuation is still going on. It is still going on in AP. Results will be announced in the third week. In the third week of June, results will be announced. Venkateshwar has sent me this doubt. Any change in TS English syllabus? No. No change. No change in TS inter syllabus. Okay, English syllabus, there will be no change. This year there will be no change. There may be some changes next academic year, but this coming academic year, 2021, there will be no changes. Maybe 21, 22, there may be some changes, but now, as of now, there will be no changes. Okay, right. Thank you. Next, Haima has sent me this doubt, this query. Sir, 2A key. You haven't prepared 2A key. Yeah, 2A key. So I was unable to collect the 2A key board of scheme of valuation, board scheme of valuation. I was unable to collect. So definitely I will collect and keep it. Okay. I will make a video on mass 2A board scheme of valuation, mass 2A key. Definitely I will post. Don't worry, I will post. Vijay has sent me this doubt. The doubt is, so what about the reopening of colleges in TS, junior colleges, reopening of junior colleges. So reopening of junior colleges, today one news item has come in the newspaper, one crucial announcement has come in the newspaper. First year classes will be commencing in August only. First week or second week of August only. First or second week of August. Second year, July 15th onwards. July 15th onwards, second year classes. Okay. July 15th onwards, second year classes. Thank you. Next, Haima has sent me another doubt. So, online classes are there for second year? Yes. Online classes will be there from June 1st onwards. Online classes will be there for second years. Okay. Coming up second year. Get in touch. Please get in touch with your college people. They will inform you. They will let you know about the commencement of these online classes. Okay. Right. Thank you. Tarun has sent me this doubt. When will paper correction end in TS? Paper correction will end in TS tomorrow. Only English and Sanskrit, that also in some areas only. Nalgonda, Khammam in one center, I think. 2-3 areas only. It is still going on. Remaining subjects, remaining centers, everything is over. Everything is over. Only in 2-3 centers. Okay, papers are many, number of scripts are many, and people may be less over there. That's why still it is going on. Tomorrow is the last. Tomorrow is the last for paper valuation. Next, Chinnakeshav has sent me this doubt. So, MSET, how will they conduct MSET test, sir? How will they means? MSET test is online test. Online test. Social distance will be maintained. Okay, sanitizers will be provided. Social distance will be maintained. Number of centers will be there. Many centers will be there. It will be online test. No offline, only online test. MSET. July 6 to 9. July 6th onwards. 6 to 9. Next doubt by Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman has sent me this doubt. Sir, how can we improve communication skills? Communication skills. Okay, how can we improve communication skills? Means only through practice. Through practice, we can improve communication skills. So you need to be perfect with, I told you many times in our previous videos also, only few topics. You need to be thorough with few topics. B forms, articles, prepositions, tenses. B forms, articles, prepositions, verbs and tenses. Verbs means helping verbs, modal verbs, auxiliary verbs, and tenses. If you are perfect with these 4 or 5 topics, you can speak wonderful English. You can speak immaculate English. So these topics are very important. Have tried to gain command over these topics in this way. But conversing with your friends every day, practice makes you, only practice, constant practice makes you perfect. That's why unless until you practice, if you study these topics also, it will be useless only. That's why practice is very important for everything, for on every occasion. You have to be in English language only, whether it is home or outside. So try to be on this language only, then easily you can communicate, easily you can develop the fluency. Sooner or after, later, you can develop the communication skills. Okay, you can improve your fluency definitely. Rajesh has sent me this doubt. So when will the correction end in TS? In TS, correction will end tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last. Tomorrow is the last for valuation in TS. In AP, next week. Okay, next week is the last. Next doubt by Varada Kumari. She has sent me this query. Sir, any change in CEC syllabus? I think civics is going to change. Economics, commerce, I think there will be no changes. Okay, so these are the changes, especially in CEC. Yeah, second year CEC there will be some changes. Remaining subjects there will be no changes. Okay, I will get back to you regarding this. I will let you know the updates. I will give you after some time. I will give you the updates definitely. We will wait for some time. Let others also join. People are joining us little bit late today. I think very few are coming on live today. Shruti Chandra has sent me this doubt. Please inform TS Inter second year results date, sir. Second year TS Inter second year and first year both will be announced on June 11 or 12. June 11 or 12 both will be announced. Collectively both will be announced on June 11 or 12. Okay, thank you. Next, Haima has sent me this doubt. Sir, where do you work? Where do you work? So, I work for MS Junior College, Masaptang, Hyderabad. I work for MS Junior Colleges. I am the HOD, English HOD over there. Okay, thank you. Next doubt by Rama Rao. So, which subject do you teach? My subject is English. I teach English only. Chennakeshav has sent me this doubt. Sir, are you going to paper valuation? Paper valuation over. I attended at paper valuation duty at Mehboobiya Junior College, Abbots, Gun Foundry Abbots, Mehboobiya Junior College. It was over. English, day before yesterday only it was over. Okay, so couple of days ago English was over. I attended the session. It was over. Next, Ramesh Kumar has sent me this doubt. Sir, how will be the MSET? Is it going to be easy due to this lockdown? See, MSET means is always tough only. We can't say it will be easy. So lockdown is doing it will be having no effect on MSET and any other exam. It has nothing to do with our subjects. Okay, it has nothing to do with our exams. There is no relation between exams and lockdown. So due to lockdown, papers will be easy. No, it is wrong news. It is not correct. So as usual, it will be little bit hard only. Okay, MSET is always is a competitive exam. That's why. So they have to filter number of candidates. They have to select a few people only out of lakhs of people. That's why exam is as usual it is tough only. Don't think that due to lockdown exam will be easy, MSET will be easy. No, it is wrong. Okay, thank you. Next, Srinivas has sent me this doubt. Sir, tell me about degree exams date. Just now I have told you degree exams final semester June 20th onwards. Final semester June 20th onwards, and the remaining semesters will be there in November or December, not now. Today one news item is there. So remaining semesters 1, 2, 3 semesters, so November or December. Only final semester June 20th. So next month 20th onwards. Thank you. Next doubt. So when are the colleges going to reopen? So colleges are going to reopen in TS second year July 15th onwards. First year August, not now. First year August only. Second year July 15th onwards. Okay, thank you. Next doubt by Nageshwar, sir, how will be the classrooms next year? College classrooms. College classrooms means, yeah, next year definitely it is going to be a different scenario. So per bench only 2 members, this and 1 member, this and another member, only 2. And distance will be there. Social distance have to be maintained. Everyone has to wear the mask. Everyone has to use the sanitizers. Lecturers, including faculty, everybody has to wear the mask for a few months like that. And distance will be there. 20 to 40 members only. Each class should not exceed 30 to 40 members. Clear-cut instructions will come very soon. Okay. So whether shift wise or full day, we will come to know in the coming days. Very soon we will get the instructions from the government, from the board side also. So first year morning, second year afternoon, like that they are going to conduct. Okay, thank you. Definitely it is going to be a different scenario for the coming academic year. Next, Haima has sent me this doubt. The doubt is, sir, are they going to reduce the syllabus for next academic year, for coming academic year? Syllabus, they won't reduce the portion. They won't reduce the syllabus for coming academic year. Instead, they will take extra classes. Okay, extra classes they will take, and they will increase the number of working days. They will increase the number of working days. Holidays will be reduced. Working days will be increased. Holidays will be reduced. In this way, they will cover the syllabus. Somehow they will cover the syllabus. No chances of reducing the portion. Why? Because people are getting national level exams. No, so national level exams, IIT and NEET, they are conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. So one state is reducing the portion, other state is not reducing. It will be a problem. So there should be some universal equality. Okay, so that's why. So they are not going to reduce the portion. Okay, thank you. Sweta has sent me this doubt. The doubt is, sir, do you prefer any good degree colleges in Twin Cities? So in Twin Cities, good degree colleges. Last time also I told you, Badruka College is there, Jagriti College is there, and St. Joseph's groups of colleges are there. And for girls, Wesley College, St. Anne's College, okay, Villa Mary, Stella Mary. So they are good colleges for girls. Okay, thank you. Vinay Kumar has sent me this doubt. Sir, mass correction is over. Mass last week only it was over. In our last session also I told you mass was over. Only languages are going on. Physics also yesterday over. Physics also yesterday it was over. In some areas, only 2-3 areas, Nalgonda, Medak and Warangal, I think, in three centers. First language, second language, English and Sanskrit still going on. Only in 2-3 centers. Why? Because papers are many over there. So they have got many more papers. That's why. Next out by Srinivas Kumar. Sir, what about supplementary exams in TS? Yeah, supplementary exams will be there in the last week of June. Okay. So supplementary exams are there. In the last week of June, we will have supplementary exams also. Don't worry, supplementary exams are also there in the last week. Next, Srinivas Kumar only has sent me another doubt. Supplementary betterment, same sir, same. Yeah, both are same. Supplementary and betterment both are same. So those who have passed, they only can appear for betterment exams. Same paper, same exam is called supplementary. For failures, it is called supplementary. For passing candidates, they want to improve the marks. That's why it is called improvement. It is also called betterment. Okay, improvement, betterment. Same exam is called supplementary. For failing students, failures, it is called supplementary. For passing candidates, it is called betterment or improvement. Same paper, same paper. No two papers, no different papers. Same paper will be there. Okay. Again, paper correction will be there. June last week exams will be there. Within 10 days afterwards, July first week or within 10 days, paper correction will be there. July 15th, around July 15th or 20th, so results will be announced. Okay, so before MSET, they have to complete this whole work. This whole work they have to complete before MSET results, not MSET exam, MSET results. That's why. So before MSET results, they have to wind up this work, including supplementary also. Supplementary is there. Don't worry, supplementary is there. Next, Varma has sent me this doubt. Sir, failing students can write supplementary exams? No. I told you earlier also, failures, they can't write improvement exam. No improvement exam for them. In which subject they have failed, only those subjects they can write. Only those subjects they can appear for. Okay. Kartikeya has sent me this doubt. Sir, any change in English portion next year? No, there will be no change in English portion. English is not going to change. For coming academic year 2021, there will be no changes in English syllabus. Same syllabus will be there. In both TS and AP, same syllabus will be there. Don't worry, syllabus is not going to change. Venkateshwar Kumar. So what about engineering exams? Engineering students. For engineering students, exam schedule, everything. I made one video. Please go through it. Please watch the video. So I made the video. In that video, clearly I mentioned year-wise. I mentioned the dates also. Please watch it. Okay. Thank you. First day we'll have exams for final semester, final year exam, final year students. So rest of the students, they will have very late. First of all, They want to promote all the students irrespective of the exams. They will be promoted. Students will be promoted to the higher semesters, next semesters. Then they will be having exams. Afterwards, they will be having exams. Thank you. Shruti has sent me this doubt. The doubt is, sir, what is the maximum mark in English? In English, we can score 98. Usually 99, however good it is, if the paper is perfect, even then also 99 we can't give. 98 is the maximum. Both in first year and second year, 98 is the maximum mark. Okay. In second languages, Sanskrit, Arabic, French, Telugu, Hindi, you can score 99, but here in English you can score first language 98, first year or second year. So 98 is the highest mark, 98 is the cutoff, it is the maximum mark. Okay, thank you. Next, Ravi Kumar's doubt is, he has sent me one doubt, sir, what about correction in red zone in TS? In TS, where are the red zones now? Oh no, everywhere. Red zone, green, orange, everywhere. Correction is over. So tomorrow is the last. Most of the centers, it was over, already over, correction over. Next, Renuka has sent me the doubt, sir, do we have online classes for MSET and second year? Yes. See, already MSET online classes going on. So they have been going on for the past 2 months now. So MSET classes already going on, and fresh second year. क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
कमेंट्स नहीं है, कमेंट्स नहीं है, बोलो।
Next doubt here, Srinivas Srinu, anybody failed in one subject in first year college will allow them or they will give TC? No, there is no rule like that. So if somebody has failed in all the subjects also, you can be promoted to second year. Okay, second year you can, in supplementary you can complete, you can clear. Supplementary exams are there. Even in supplementary also, if the candidate is not passing, even then also you will be promoted to second year. Okay, so colleges, they won't give any TC, nothing. Next doubt, Srinivas Srinu, anybody failed in one subject? Yeah, same doubt. M762. Next doubt, M762, gaming, TS inter results. So date already I have announced, June 11 or 12, both first year and second year. Both will be announced on the same day, June 11 or 12. Okay, thank you. Next doubt by Madhu Mundru. Sir, what about the engineering college reopen? Engineering college only in the month of July, not now. Only in July they will reopen. Only in July. Okay, right. Thank you. Lakshmi Devi Mustadar. Are all corrections done in TS? Yes. Correction is almost over. I told you just now, only in Nalgonda, Medak and Warangal, second language and first language. Only languages are going on. Tomorrow it will be over. Okay, tomorrow it will be over. Tomorrow is the last. Only English and Sanskrit, these two subjects only going on. Only 3 centers. Their papers are many. So many papers they have received, and candidates are a little bit less over there. That's why still it is going on. In remaining centers, everything is over. Okay, thank you. Next doubt, Ashrit Reddy. Sir, when you are going to upload Maths 2A key, today or tomorrow? Please give reply. Okay, definitely I will upload Maths 2A key. So today or tomorrow I will definitely upload Maths 2A key. So it is very difficult to collect the scheme of evaluation. I told you, no, so we are scattered these days. So English to one's college, Maths in another college. That's why I was unable to collect the Maths keys because of some busy schedule. That's why definitely I will do that. Okay. Srinivas Srinu, which comments are you reading, sir? Yeah, I am reading correctly. So I think there will be some technical problem. I think this time there is some technical problem. Kindly adjust. Okay, kindly bear with it. Now it has been adjusted. Okay. So now it is adjusted. Okay. I am getting comments now. Yes. Your comments I am getting now. Okay. No problem. Thank you. Kiran Kumari, sir, if 12th class student fail or receive less marks in IP and not eligible for JEE, then is there any solution? JEE means so what is the cutoff mark? So what is the eligibility criteria for JEE? Minimum 50%. That's enough. Okay, so less than 50% means they are not eligible for JEE. Okay, they can't appear for JEE. Yes, they can write MCET exam. Okay. Varun Rohit, Adarsh Reddy, Srinivas Srinu, Vinay 1122. So Ashrit Reddy, Madhu Mundru. So they have all sent me. Varun Rohit, sir, read correct comments. Yeah, there has been some technical problem. Now it is adjusted. Now the problem is adjusted. Okay. Archana, when will junior college open? So junior college second year July 15th onwards. Today we have got one news item. So you can see in the local newspaper also. July 15th onwards, second year. First year not now, August only. First week or second week of August. Okay. In the meantime, for second years, we will have online classes. Please be in touch with your college people. Thank you. Varun Rohit, sir, Instagram lo meeku message చేశాను చూడండి తర్వాత ప్లీజ్. ఓకే, డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ విల్ సీ. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ చెక్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. I was attending the correction program, no, that's why I was a little busy. I couldn't check all these. Okay, so I will do that. Kiran Kumari's doubt is, sir, if 12th class student fail or receive less marks in IP and is not eligible for JE, then is there any solution? So regarding this, definitely I will make one video. So in 1 or 2 days, today or tomorrow, I will make one video. So what is the eligibility criteria and how to rectify the problem? So is there any scope for improving the marks also? Definitely I will make one video. Please keep watching. Okay, thank you very much. Definitely I will help you out. Okay, I will clarify your doubt definitely. Yasmin Begum, she says that I think sir is reading comments from Instagram or other social media sites. No, some technical problem is there. It has been adjusted now. Okay, no problem. Kindly adjust. Okay, thank you. Vinay, 1122. Sir, TS inter results 11 or 12 की confirm का वस्ताया. ये definitely वस्ताय 11 or 12 definitely 1 or 2 days. So sooner or later, more or less. అంతే the difference ఉండదు. 11 or 12 you will get both first year and second year. Both same day you will get definitely. Lakshman Rao doubt is TS inter mass minimum marks. Minimum marks means passing marks. 27 is the passing marks. Out of 75, 27 is the passing mark. Physics and chemistry 21. Physics and chemistry 21 and mass A, mass B first year and second year 27 is the passing mark. Okay. Ramarao, sir, maths లో 68 or 69 వస్తే 10 point వేస్తారా సార్? 10 points. Points system is not there, no? So in TS point system is not there. Grading system is not there. Only in 10th class they have. Now we don't have point system over here. Only marks. Sai Kiran, sir, MSET strategy video cheyandi. Yeah, definitely I will do. Now onwards I will concentrate on MSET only. Okay, already I made last month I made one video MSET tricks and tips. Okay, please watch the video. So it is very useful and MSET mock test also. We made one video on MSET mock test also. So in the coming days, how to crack physics, chemistry, mathematics, botany, zoology, in all these subjects I am going to upload the videos. Please keep watching. Okay, thank you very much for your suggestion. Thank you very much. Zaid Ali has sent me doubt is, sir, if result will be announced, please update to all. Definitely I will be in touch with you. I will give you the latest updates also. Okay, so almost every alternate day I am giving you the latest updates. Okay, if any latest news is there, if something is new, definitely I will let you know. Okay, thank you very much. Hello friends, welcome back. Sorry, some technical problem is there in the device today. That's why some disturbance was there. Now we will resume now. Okay friends, we will resume now. We'll restart now. Others Reddy's doubt is correction is completed in your center, sir. Whenever you going to upload botany and zoology key, sir. Botany and zoology, I will try, okay? Definitely I will try. The problem is collecting the scheme of valuation is the problem. That's why there has been some delay. Definitely I will try. Next. Madhu's doubt is, sir, in AP Maths 2B was very tough. What was correction? Tough or easy? So correction is liberal only. When papers are very tough, generally correction will be liberal. Okay, so liberally they will correct. Okay, no problem. Liberally they will correct. If 20, 21 also, if you are getting, they try to pass. Definitely. Rama Rao, check my messages Instagram afterwards, sir. Definitely I will check. Thank you. Srinivas, sir, maths below 20 marks was they pass chestara. Just I have clarified the doubt also just now. Yes, maximum they will try. 90% they will try to push you. Okay, so 20 was they try chestaru. But somewhere you must have written something. అక్కడ ఏదో రాసి ఉంటే వేస్తారు అన్నమాట. ఏమి రాయకపోతే మాత్రం చేయరు. ఓకే, నువ్వు ఏదైనా రాసి ఉంటే మాత్రం మ్యాక్సిమం ట్రై చేస్తారు. 90% పాసింగ్ కోసమే ట్రై చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు. కరెక్షన్ వాల్యూషనర్స్ ఎప్పుడైనా సరే పాసింగ్ కోసమే ట్రై చేస్తారు. అశ్రిత్ రెడ్డిస్ డౌట్ ఈజ్, సార్ మీరు ఇంగ్లీష్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ పేపర్ వాల్యుయేషన్ చేశారా? మెయిన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ సెకండ్ ఇయరే ఎక్కువ చేశాను. సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఎక్కువ వచ్చాయి, ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ తక్కువ వచ్చాయి మాకు, మా సెంటర్లో అయితే. ఓకే, సెకండ్ ఇయరే ఎక్కువ చేశాం మేము. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అఫాన్, రిజల్ట్స్ డేట్ టీఎస్ ఇంటర్, సార్ రిజల్ట్స్ డేట్ June 11 or 12, one day more or less, 11 or 12. First year, second year, same day. Both are coming on the same day. Madhu Mundru, sir, please tell about supply and betterment in AP. Yeah, it will be there. Supply, betterment, both are same only. Same exam is called supplementary and betterment exam. For passing candidate, it is betterment. For failing candidate, it is called supplementary exam. In AP, so definitely it will be there. Okay. So here in the last week of June, and there also last week of June only. Why? Because before MSET, they have to complete the work. They have to conduct a supplementary. They have to announce the results. That's why before MSET results, this work they must complete the work. That's why. So it will be there in the last week of June. There also AP also TS and AP supplementary will be there in the last week of June. Some people believe that this year some rumors are spreading that this year there are no supplementary, no improvement. That is false news. There are rumors, don't believe. Okay, such kind of news, don't believe. Supplementary is there last week of June. Thank you. Sitaram, AP Inter first year result date. So third week of June, first year, second year, rendu ఒకే రోజు వస్తున్నాయి. థర్డ్ వీక్, జూన్ థర్డ్ వీక్లో వస్తున్నాయి. టీఎస్లో సెకండ్ వీక్లో వస్తున్నాయి, అక్కడేమో థర్డ్ వీక్లో వస్తున్నాయి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. Ashrit Reddy, sir, which district paper will go to which district? That is confidential. Okay, so board they won't reveal, only higher official, board camp officer, RIO, we call them RIOs, no, RIOs and camp officials, they only know about this. Okay, this is a secret, camp secret. Correction, everything is secret. Actually, scheme of valuation also we should not publish on YouTube. Board scheme of valuation also we have no rights to make videos on board scheme of valuation, but we are taking permission with lot of difficulty. We are taking permission, so they maintain secrecy. They won't reveal. Only higher officials they know about it. Okay, that is secret, they won't reveal. That is confidential news. Thank you. Sayyida Aisha, sir, MSET tips and timetable please. MSET timetable, so it is simple, no? July 6 to 9 online exam, Okay, tips, definitely I made one video on tips, and in the coming days also I am going to upload the videos on MSET tricks and tips. Please kindly watch. Okay, please keep on watching them. Okay, don't miss out any video also. Okay, I will help you out definitely. Thank you. Madhu Muntu sir, AP and TS MSET weightage will be same? Yeah, same pattern, same weightage. 25% weightage is there. Even practical marks are also considered. Languages are not considered. Okay, same weightage, same procedure. Thank you. Ashrit Reddy, after valuation, how long time it take place for coding process? Coding process means 1 week, only 1 week. That's it, 1 week. Thank you. Karun. సరే ఏపీలో పాయింట్స్ గ్రేడ్స్ ఇస్తారు. సో మ్యాథ్స్లో 68 వస్తే 69 వస్తాయా? 68 వస్తే 69 వస్తాయా? ఏపీలో గ్రేడింగ్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ లేదు. సో వస్తాయి, అక్కడ వస్తాయి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. రామారావు, సేమ్ డౌట్ ఫర్ మీ ఆల్సో సార్. ఐ థింక్ యువర్ డౌట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ క్లియర్. ఓకే. Shravani, live is not coming. What happened, sir? Yeah, there has been some technical problem today in the device. It has been rectified. Now it is going on. Now I think you can hear me. Can you hear me? You can hear me now. Okay. Please send me a message. Can you hear me or not? Still, is there any problem? Send me a message. Okay. Shravani, Adarsh Reddy, live is not coming. Live has been stopped. Now it is coming. No. Still it is not coming. Please send me a message. Okay. Whether it is coming or not. శ్రీనివాస్ శ్రీను, సరే మ్యాథ్స్ బి ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ 20 మార్క్స్ వస్తే పాస్ చేస్తారు. మ్యాక్సిమం పాస్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తారు. మిగతా మీది కొంచెం అక్కడక్కడ రాసి ఉన్న గివెన్ డేటా రాసినా సరే కొంచెం 20-21 వస్తే మాత్రం అక్కడ హాఫ్ మార్క్, ఇక్కడ 1 మార్క్ ఇట్లా వేసి మిమ్మల్ని పాస్ చేస్తారు. మ్యాక్సిమం పాసింగ్ కోసమే ట్రై చేస్తారు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.